feet shoulder width apart, keeping your back in neutral alignment, shoulders down the back, look straight forward and shape upward. To start with, take a step forward with your right leg and try to keep your legs, both legs at 90 degrees, and exhale to come back. Keeping your torso upright and keeping your core fully engaged. Inhale to step forward and exhale to come back. Keeping your knees in line with your toes.